A wireless transmitter can transmit both SDI and HDMI signals to a camera monitor that can be further away. There are many use cases of wireless transmitters. For example, you can set up a distance monitor for your client or director so they can follow all the actions and work in a more collaborative manner. Plus, they can help you eliminate the big clutter of cables for an easy production setup. However, when you're buying a wireless transmitter for the first time, it's common for one to mess up with lots of available brands and features. That's why, in this video, we have put together a list of 5 of the best wireless transmitters that you can buy today. Let's start with the Vaxis Atom 500 first, an ultra-portable and compact wireless transmitter that's easy to use and smooth to control when you're taking the perfect shot. This wireless transmitter features both 3G SDI and HDMI connections for lossless video transmission up to 500 feet of range with 80 milliseconds of low latency. Not just that, it can also multicast up to 3 mobile devices using Wi-Fi. At the same time, this device supports 13 optimized channels to find the best available channel. Furthermore, it's equipped with an OLED screen where you can see device temperature, voltage power, video source, video resolution, and many more things. Inside the transmitter, there's also a cooling fan that can be turned on or off to prevent noise during your production. And both the receiver and the transmitter can be powered through its USB Type-C port or by using an L-series battery. In essence, the Vaxis Atom 500 is the best bet for you if you want to have a feature-rich wireless transmitter inside a compact form factor. Next on our list is the Hollyland Mars 300 Pro, another highly compact and budget-friendly wireless transmitter that offers more value than it charges. Within 300 feet of transmission distance and less than 0.08 of second latency, this wireless transmitter delivers stable synchronous audio and video transmission. In terms of ports, both the receiver and transmitters are equipped with 2 HDMI ports, allowing you to connect more devices. Additionally, one of the HDMI ports on the transmitter is a loop-out, which can be connected to a small monitor on the camera, allowing the cameraman to monitor the shot. Inside the 2 HDMI ports, there are also cooling holes to move out the hot air. And to control the fan speed, this device is integrated with an OLED display that clearly shows all the necessary info at a glance. In a nutshell, the Hollyland Mars 300 Pro can stop your search for a wireless transmitter that comes at an affordable price with industry requirement functionality. Designed with reliability and performance in mind, now introducing the Teradek Ace 500TX and RX set, which comes with a lightweight design to adapt with any kind of camera rig. The transmitter weighs just around 126 grams, and the receiver weighs only 146 grams, making them easy to maneuver while using gimbals and cameras of any size. Featuring 500 feet of range with 1 millisecond of latency, this wireless transmitter can transmit and receive visually lossless and uncompressed 1080p videos at 60 frames per second. In addition to that, it can send video signals to up to 4 different receivers to let your crew monitor every shot as it happens. Moreover, this wireless transmitter includes an HDMI Type-A input and a standard HDMI cable, so you can plug in right out of the box. Power can be provided via multiple ways, including a 2.1mm barrel connector, 2.1mm DC barrel to D-tap power cable, or a separately available battery plate. In short, whether you're a videographer or a photographer, the Teradek Ace 500TX and RX set should be your solid choice if you're searching for a transmitter that's reliable, lightweight, and perfect for any size of the camera rig. Bring cinema-level video transmission to your camera setup with the Accsoon CineEye2S Pro, a high-end wireless transmitter that has the highest range in this roundup. This wireless transmitter has a range of up to 1200 feet and can connect to 4 dedicated receivers or mobile devices at the same time. With an average latency of under 60 milliseconds, the 2S Pro has nearly unnoticeable lag. Not just that, it even passes audio to any device it's connected to. The dual-channel signal, on the other hand, automatically detects the channels that have the least resistance. Additionally, when connected to iOS or Android devices, you can access pro features like focus peaking, zebras, false colors, and LUT overlay. The receivers connect to anything from professional monitors to projectors with an HDMI or SDI input. Lastly, you can power the transmitter and receiver both via the built-in DC input or from the Sony-style NP batteries. Considering all of these, the Accsoon CineEye2S Pro is essential for small to large footprint productions. Now, it's time for the number one spot, which is the Hollyland Mars 400S Pro, an upgraded version of the previous Hollyland Mars 300S Pro with a brand new design, ultra-low latency, and many more. Firstly, let's talk about its range. This transmitter will give you up to 400 feet of range with less than 0.1 second latency, allowing you to shoot photos and videos from far away. With both SDI and HDMI dual port, it gives you the ability to choose either port for input or output. There's no need to use the same port for both input and output. Besides, the transmitter of the 400S Pro can work with up to 2 devices simultaneously, while transferring high-resolution picture quality at a 12 Mbps data rate. This means 2 or more parties can watch your shooting at the same time on different displays. Taking everything into consideration, it's safe to say that the Hollyland Mars 400S Pro is overall the best wireless transmitter that can effectively eliminate the big clutter of cables and give you a hassle-free shooting experience. So, that's all about today's video of the 5 best wireless transmitters just for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.